Is about copy trading. Remember the settings and put the same values there. Let's talk about risk management now. Risk management and money management, right? So there are three good methods for money management. Now the first one is, I would say, martingale method. Now what you have to do is, for example, you have $100 in your account. You have to trade with 1%, doubling every loss. Right? Like 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 40. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you'll have another like 40, 70, 75, 78. You'll have another $22 to trade in the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chances, right? If you're losing all of them, probably what you should be doing is go back to demo and practice. Because if somebody is losing 7 trades consecutively, that means there is something wrong with his trading, right? That is one thing. If you're winning like third or fourth trade again and again, that is also good. So eventually you would be in profits. So this is the martingale strategy. It works good for beginners if they handle the emotions well. Now second is for the traders who are in the second stage, they can use same amount strategy. For them, if they have $100 in their accounts, they should use 5% each trade. But it is only for them whose accuracy is above 70 to 80%. For example, if you trade $5, if you trade with $5 each, and you take 10 trades, you win, for example, 8 trades. 8 into 5 is 40. 80% would be 32. The payout. And you lose 2, that would be 2 into 5 is 10. Minus 10 would be $22. That would be 22% of the capital, which is a really good return in a single day. So that's one thing. But this is for those whose accuracy is really good. Now let's talk about the third one, which even I use. This is high probability risk management system. Risk management system. Now in this one, if you have $100 in your account, you keep trading with 1%. Win or lose, doesn't matter. You keep trading with $1. But the moment you see a trade which you feel is really, really good, what you have to do, you have to trade with $10 or maybe $20. You have to do it again and again. But this is only for those who know that that particular trade is going to win. It's a high probability trading. If you're doubtful about it, don't take it because you will lose a lot. This gives you really good returns. This strategy, it gives huge returns. But for that, you need to practice so well that this particular trade, you know that if you win, if you take this one, you will win no matter what. So this way, when you have $1,000 account, you keep trading with $10 each. And then all of a sudden you see this trade, you take a $100 trade. And then all of a sudden your capital would be huge. In a couple of trades, if you take such kind of trades in a day, your capital might grow up to 50%. Right? And you have to get used to it once you cross this one, the second stage. You can get used to this one. It's going to get you huge returns. Now, this is about the risk management system. I would say for beginners. Now, to explain in brief, what you have to do is first copy trade, settings, take the signals, then copy trading, and then trading on your own. There are 3 things which need to be understood. For the risk management, always remember for the beginners, use only this one. Or what you can do is for beginners to practice, you can just practice with $1 each. You can practice with $1 as well. And once you get better, you move to this one, same amount strategy. And once you get even better, you move to this one, and this one will change everything for you. So I think that's enough. And if there is any doubt, you can always contact me. You know my Telegram, my Instagram, you can contact me anywhere. I would also leave the link and the details to contact me in the description. You can also join me on Pocket Option and copy my trades, trade with me and make a lot of money. I think that's it for the day, and probably will, have a good session tomorrow. I'll see you there in the group. Thanks a lot.